Hey guys, today we're gonna hop in a time capsule and travel back to 2019, when we had more Squarebody trucks than kids. With a beautiful weekend of dry weather, Sean and I took the dogs, our wives, and the trucks down to Farmingdale to do some off-roading. Farmingdale is just southeast of Rapid City, situated around formations known as Railroad Buttes. There are tons of trails to explore, many of which are probably not intended for full-size trucks. So of course, as usual, we get into some fun shenanigans. Kick back and enjoy this one. But before the video is over, be sure to let us know in the comments what your favorite vehicle is to take on the trails.
Wow, that looks living the moment till I die. Yeah.
Very cute.
Can you play some like cheesy walking away video or music in the background?
Evan will laugh when he sees this because he won't know I took this video.